Okay, students, good morning. Let's start our lecture of on the topic of cinema, and that is the second part of it. That is called as the television industry in India. So we have covered so far the cinema in India. So now we are going to discuss today television industry in India. So let me present my screen to you. Before I start up, I would like to discuss with you that these are some of the parallel things. Cinema has changed the lives of people because when movies it came into the market, when we saw them, these were the reflection of, I can say, our own society. We have learned so many things from cinema. As it has got different stages, we have learned like cinema in the earlier times, or we call it as a silent movies time. Then time of a talkies it has come. Then it comes a time of the golden age of cinema. So these were the three stages how the cinema was ruling. Uh, During that time, somewhere on some one side we can say broadcasting of radio was getting popular along with TV. It has come. That is called the television industry because people were more into movies. TV was not very popular at that time because broadcasting was not that much, and India was a country of different cultures and different languages. So what was happening? Somehow they were trying. The broadcasters were trying to cover everything to give space to everybody, so that we will be able to know about each other. But slowly, as it has come up of today's time, we can see television has completely changed. How the television was at the starting and now it has got big difference. So let's discuss that how this difference it has come. They're saying the television industry in India is very diverse and produced thousands of programs in many of India's official languages. I told you that it has got many languages. More than half of all Indian households own television. As of 2016, they are giving the example of the year of 2016 as the data is provided up to that year. The country had over 857 channels, of which 184 were pay channels. We can think of there was a time when we were having the antennas and we were just watching the free channels which were offered by Doordarshan, Indian broadcaster, DD1, DD2, DD Jalandhar, DD Delhi, something like that, DD Metro, these are the names. But now, if you see that almost every channel is free, whether you saw it through your cable or you saw it through your dish TV, satellite TV, I would say that, then even though you pay for it. In January 1950, the Indian Express reported that a television was put up for demonstration at an exhibition in the Tayamag Pet locality of Madras, जिसको आज की डेट में चेन्नई भी बोला जाता है, by Siva Kumaran, a student of electrical engineering. A letter was scanned and its image displayed on cathode ray tube screen. The report said that it may be this is not the whole of television, but is certainly the most significant link in the system, and added that the demonstration of the sort could be the first in India. कह रहे हैं कि इसको पूरी तरीके से हम टीवी नहीं कह सकते. You cannot say it was first demonstration of television, but कहीं ना कहीं ये कहा जा सकता है कि yes, बिल्कुल कि ये उस तरफ कदम था टीवी की तरफ, जहाँ पर जो इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के चेन्नई के स्टूडेंट थे शिव कुमार, उन्होंने कैथोड वेव ट्यूब की मदद से ही हैज शोन द इमेज ऑफ एन इफेक्ट. तो एक स्टार्टिंग थी दैट वाज ऑफ until 1975, only 7 Indian cities had television services. Satellite Instruction Television Experiment (SIT) was an important step taken by India to use television for development. The programs were mainly produced by Doordarshan, which was then a part of AIR, All India Radio. The telecast happened twice a day, in the morning and evenings. Other than information related to agriculture, health, and family planning, were the other important topics dealt with in these programs. Entertainment was also included in the form of dance, music, folk, and rural art form. Television services were separated from radio in 1976. National telecast was introduced in 1982. In the same year, color television was introduced in the Indian market. तो ये हिस्ट्री है किस तरह से टीवी हमारी ज़िंदगी में आया. They have said that कि up to 1975 ये ऑल इंडिया रेडियो के अंदर ही काम कर रहा था और इसमें जो प्रोग्राम्स प्रोड्यूस किए जाते थे दोज आर ओनली फॉर टू टाइम्स मॉर्निंग एंड इवन दिन में ये बंद रहता था इफ आप बच्चे हो भी लेकिन इफ आई वुड like your parents that when we were TV, TV was just blank. It was nothing. It's not like today, like you will start up your TV and it is 20 anytime you can watch anything on any channel. बट एट द टाइम ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. अगर टीवी पे प्रोग्राम नहीं आ रहा है तो वहाँ पर बिल्कुल ब्लैक स्क्रीन चल रही है और जब शुरू होता था दूरदर्शन तो इट ऑलमोस्ट टुक 5 मिनट्स उसको स्टार्ट होने के लिए एक गोल गोल गोला दूरदर्शन तो ये स्टार्ट होगा उसके बाद कोई एक दो देशभक्ति के गाने चलेंगे देन उसके बाद जो बोलते हैं कि इस तरह से टीवी प्रोग्राम्स आते थे. मैंने आपको करने को इक्वल लगे क्योंकि इंडिया मैंने बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कंट्री ऑफ डिफरेंट फोक और रूरल आर्ट ये सब चीज़ें भी उसमें की जाती थी एंटरटेनमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही काफ़ी चीज़ों के साथ साथ लेकिन में बदलाव आया 1980 थिंक ऑफ कलर टेलीविजन मार्केट जो इंडियन मार्केट थी उस 87 में जो कलर टेलीविजन था in 1997 a statutory autonomous body was established. Doordarshan along with the AIR were converted into government corporation under Prasar Bharati. Prasar established to serve as public service broadcaster of the country, which would achieve its objective through AIR and Doordarshan. This was a step towards greater autonomy for Doordarshan and AIR. However, Prasar Bharati has not succeeded in shielding Doordarshan from government control. तो 1997 में प्रसार भारती बिल पासवर्ड्स के साथ उनकी ऑटोनमस बॉडी है वो सेटअप की गई. दूरदर्शन और एआईआर जो थी वो प्रसार भारती के बीच में सम्मिलित हो गई कॉर्पोरेशन और जो प्रसार भारती कॉर्पोरेशन था दे हैव सेड दैट इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड कि प्रॉपर तरीके से पब्लिक ब्रॉडकास्टर कंट्री का बना और इसको काफ़ी सारी ऑटोनॉमी मिले छूट मिले दूरदर्शन और ये को लेकिन वो कह रहे हैं कि जो दूरदर्शन है ज़्यादातर गवर्नमेंट के कंट्रोल में ही रहा है सरकारी कंट्रोल के अंदर वो काम करता है. In India, the broadcast of free ear-to-ear television is governed through state-owned Prasar Bharati Corporation with a Doordarshan group of channels being the broadcaster. As such, cable television is the primary source of TV. Private channels were started in about 1992. तो 1992 से एक्चुअली में जो हमारे जो स्टार्टिंग थी अगर बोले प्राइवेट चैनल थी वो उस लेवल पे स्टार्ट हुई एंड दिस इज हाउ द मार्केट इट हैज कम जो आज प्राइवेट चैनल इस पहले दूरदर्शन और एआईआर तक दो मार्केट. नाउ अ न्यू era it has started एक नया युग स्टार्ट हुआ जिसको केबल टेलीविजन. The growth in digital broadcasting is writing voice is breaking clear सुन रहा है yes students are you listening to me? Please respond. हाँ पुष्पिंदर, आवाज आ रही है बेटा? हाँ पुष्पिंदर।
भाई रुक रुक क्यों दिया जी कदे कदे?
अच्छा, रुक रही है, ब्रेक हो रही है?
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
अच्छा, ओके। आप क्वेश्चंस में कोई भी चीज क्लियर ना हो तो मुझसे पूछो। Then it comes to era of cable television. The growth in digital broadcast has been due to the introduction of a multi-phase digitization policy.
कोविड में सर
हाँ
आवाज
जी,
नहीं आ रही है, आवाज
आवाज
नहीं आ रही।
आवाज नहीं आ रही?
नहीं सर,
तो आप अपनी जवाब कैसे दे रहे हो?
काफी ब्रेक हो के आ रही है।
ब्रेक हो क्या रही है?
यस सर।
क्या होगा, तुम्हें बहुत खांसी हुई है?
सर तबीयत खराब है बहुत।
चलो ध्यान रखो बच्चों। ठीक है, मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। इसमें ब्रेक हो दिया था। The growth in digital broadcast has been due to the introduction of a multi-phase digitization introduced by the Government of India regarding the mandatory digitization of the cable services. According to this amendment made in the Section 9 of the Cable Television Network Regulation Amendment Ordinance 1995, the Information and Broadcasting Ministry is in the process of making digital addressable systems mandatory. As per the policy, viewers should be able to access digital service only through a set-top box. कह रहे हैं कि केबल टेलीविजन का आगमन हुआ। एक ऑर्डिनेंस जो है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया वो पेश किया गया। According to this amendment made in the section 9 of the cable network, कह रहे हैं कि ये एक्ट का नाम है जिसके थ्रू ये ऑर्डिनेंस 1995 में आईएनबी जो मिनिस्ट्री है इंडिया की, उन्होंने पेश किया। और इस पॉलिसी के अकॉर्डिंगली ओनली थ्रू सेट टॉप बॉक्स की जो व्यूअर्स हैं जो सैटेलाइट सर्विसेज के थ्रू जो चैनल्स देख पा रहे हैं वो सिर्फ सेट टॉप बॉक्स के थ्रू ही देख। तो दैट इज हाउ सेट टॉप बॉक्स इज कंपल्सरी, वेदर आप केबल के थ्रू देख रहे हैं और यू वॉच इट थ्रू। Star Network introduced 5 major television channels into the Indian broadcasting space that had so far been monopolized by the Indian government-owned Doordarshan. MTV, Star Plus, Star Movies, BBC, Prime Sports, Star, Chinese channels. So these are the names of some of the channels. Soon after India saw the launch of ZTV, the first privately owned Indian channel to broadcast over cable, followed by Asian Television Network (ATN). A few years later, CNN, Discovery Channel, National Geographic Channel made their foray into India. Star TV Network later expanded its bouquet with the introduction of Star World, Star Sports, ESPN Channel, and Star Gold. Currently, the major four cable general entertainment channels that dominate the TRP rivalry are Star Plus, Sony Entertainment Television, Color TV, and ZTV. So these are channels now, but they are saying this is how, with the advent of cable television, the few of the channels it
सर आवाज
has
नहीं,
entered.
बीच बीच में सही आती है उसके बाद फिर वैसे होने लग जाती है।
ब्रेक हो रही है बीच में।
हाँ जी
बेटा भी टेक्निकल इशू है इसका, अब धीरे धीरे चल देखते हैं कैसे हैं। अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हुआ तो इसके साथ आप मुझे पूछ लेंगे,
ठीक है।
बाकी आपके नोट्स आपके उसमें भी पड़े हुए हैं।
Okay.
एंड नाउ देखिए जो जर्नी चल रही है, इट हैज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम, इफ वी सी, come up to at level of, I can say, call, uh, so journey it has started, we can see, from Doordarshan to Prasar Bharati, then it has come up to cable television. उसके बाद केबल टेलीविजन के बाद हम लोग जो सैटेलाइट टेलीविजन के ऊपर आ रहे हैं, दैट इज जिसको हम बोलते हैं डिश टीवी भी हम बात करते हैं, जिसके इवन केबल इज वर्किंग ऑन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, बट इट हैज स्टार्टेड अर्लियर बिफोर देन दैट. और उसमें हम जो केबल्स थी, दोज वर समहाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इनटू द हाउसेस, उसके थ्रू आप लोगों को सेटअप बॉक्स के थ्रू चैनल्स देखने को मिलते थे. अब ये फेस आ रहा है जो आज की डेट में फेस चल रहा है, दैट इज सैटेलाइट टेलीविजन. Over 1,600 TV satellite television channels are broadcast in India. This includes channels from the state-owned Doordarshan भी इसके में है, वो खत्म नहीं हुआ है. 21st Century Fox owned Star TV, Sony owned Sony Entertainment Television, Zee TV, Sun Network, Asian Net. Direct to home services is provided by Airtel Digital TV, Big TV, Reliance, DD Direct. So these are number of, you can say that, the providers, those who have come into the satellite television. Videocon का D2H है, Dish TV है, was the first one to come up in the market. Satellite television is basically known as Dish TV because Dish TV is the one company who actually has introduced this to the market. That's why up to now we are calling it as a Dish TV to every company, like whether it's a Airtel Dish TV or we call it as any other service provider, but basically it's a satellite television. Is cable is to the free-to-air channels on cable are given to the consumer without a set-top box. जो दिए गए हैं, जिसमें उन्होंने बोला है कि केबल है जो, वो केबल्स के थ्रू आपके घर तक जो है चैनल्स पहुंचते हैं, और जो DTH उसमें वायरलेस हो जाता है, एक डिश आपके घर पे लगा दी जाती है, उसके थ्रू जो चैनल्स आपके घर में लगा होना चाहिए, जो पेड चैनल्स हैं उन्हीं के थ्रू ही आपके घर तक पहुंचने चाहिए इसको व्यूअर्स. ऑल्दो कुछ फ्री चैनल्स जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से चलाए जा रहे हैं, जिसको हम जो गवर्नमेंट की फ्री सर्विसेज है, उसके थ्रू ये चलाए जाते हैं, तो वो उनको बोला जाता है कि यस दीज कैन बी सीन विदाउट सेटअप बॉक्स, जैसे एंटीना की मदद से हम बोल सकते हैं, या सीधी डिश के थ्रू. लेकिन बाकी जितने भी चैनल्स हैं उनको जो सेटअप बॉक्स है उनके माध्यम से ही देखा जा सकता है. सो ये था आपका एक जर्नी ऑफ इंडियन टेलीविजन इन इंडिया, स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दूरदर्शन, देन टेलीविजन, केबल टेलीविजन एंड देन टू सैटेलाइट. हाँ जी, अब इफ़ यू हैव एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस प्लीज़ आस्क मी, मैं आपका साथ साथ में उसके आंसर दे सकूँ. जिन लोगों को लगा कि हाँ लेक्चर में कुछ चीज़ आपको समझ नहीं आई, कुछ टूटी है, तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, सो दैट आई कैन आंसर योर क्वेश्चन. हाँ जी प्लीज़, ओवर टू यू स्टूडेंट्स. जो आपने पूरा लेक्चर सुना, आपके सामने प्रेजेंट भी हुआ, हाँ बताइए, आपको कोई पॉइंट है ऐसा जो आप साथ में नोट कर रहे थे, आपको लगा कि आपको दोबारा पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask. You can write down that in chat box or you can ask directly. आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछे. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज. कोई क्वेश्चन है बेटा जवाब दो. अंजलि, एनी क्वेश्चन? हाँ जी. तो मैं आपको फिर क्वेश्चंस लिखवा रहा हूँ. प्लीज राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच कैन बी आस्क्ड. Let me see your whole question paper as well, so that first of all we can see that what kind of a question it has come. इसमें से कोई अभी नहीं आया है. चलिए, write down the question. Write down a note on the journey of Indian television industry. Write down a note on the journey of Indian television industry. Write down a note on journey of Indian television industry. Next question. When can we say when can we say first television when can we say first television was started in India? Was started in India. Next question. What is the full form of SITE? SITE. Next is, what do you mean by broadcast television? What do you mean by broadcast television? Next question is write down the role of cable television. Write down the role of cable television. Write down the role of cable television in Indian television industry. In Indian television industry. Write down a short note on Prasar Bharati. Write down a short note on Prasar Bharati. Next question. Over 1600 TV satellite television channels. Over 1600 TV satellite television channels are broadcasted in India. Full stop. Discuss in detail. Over 1600 TV satellite television channels are broadcasted in India. Full stop. Then discuss in detail. So that is about satellite television channels. Okay, these are the questions which can be asked out from this topic, television industry in India. Let's again see our syllabus, what it says to us, so that so we have done early years of photography, lithography, cinema, silent era to talkies, cinema in later decades, Indian television coming. So this is the topic we have done today, Indian television industry or coming of Indian television. The next topic would be commercialization of program. And then the transitional television. And last is formation of Prasar Bharati. So only 3-4 topics are left out of it, I can say, from the visual media. So today we have discussed the topic of Indian television, the coming of television industry. Okay. So now you tell me if you have any of the question. Do you have any questions, students, or I need to take a friend? क्लियर? चलिए
Yes,
फिर मैं
sir.
आपकी अटेंडेंस ले लूँ फिर।
Yes, sir.
Today is 16th October. Roll number 61, Anjali is present. 60 is absent. Arya is present. Ella is present. Pushpinder is present. Hriday is absent. Jaskaran is present. Absent. Jaskaran absent. Mohit is absent. Usman is absent. Mohit is also absent. Mohit is absent. Mahasir is absent. Navjot is present. Ravinder. नवजोत प्रेजेंट है कि एब्सेंट है? चला गया वो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Renu is absent. Then Sakshi is absent. Sarabjot is absent also? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sarabjot. Okay guys, so that is your attendance of today. Thank you so much for your time. I'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Good day.
See you.